Hello friends, today I am going to teach you how to paint a bird on fabric cloth. I have taken fabric colors and medium on a tile. I have drawn the bird on this cotton cloth. First I have applied medium, then golden yellow. Now burnt umber, beak and forehead. I have taken 4 number round brush. If interested, you can join for online painting classes. There are different courses. I am applying yellow ochre. I have taken flat brush number 2. For tail I am using burnt sienna. Green plus light green I am using for stamp. I have taken white and little pink in the brush for rose bud. Now direct pink. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on fabric painting, on variety of flowers. Keep watching. See you. Bye bye.